Hi, today I would like to do a quick review of the ASC AR15 magazine. I have the green furniture. It's from Magpul. This is the Magpul SLR, and this is the Magpul grip, the hand grip. Okay, the reason why I buy this because the Magpul one is out of stock, so I want to try the OD green, so I purchased this one. So first I found that the green color is like this, so I'll put it on and let you guys see it. So you can see that the green color is not really matching, but it's just okay because I expect it's not 100% match, but the major problem is the follower. The follower, if you could see that there has a gap here. There's a gap here. This is the from OK Industry, and you can see there's no gap here. Yeah. And this is the Magpul one. Also no gap here. Okay, this one has a gap here. The problem is sometimes it's stuck. Yeah, I don't know if you guys could see it. So it does not go all the way up. Yeah, I will show you. You will fail to lock the bolt. See, it locked, right? So you can see that it tilt, and then when I do it again, see, again lock. So it's not 100% reliable. On the website it says it has an anti-tilt feature, but obviously it's tilted. So I don't really happy of this purchase. You see, it's kind of weak. Yeah, it didn't happen to them. The Magpul one is solid. Does not matter how I pass it. This is an OK Industry one. Yeah, the spring is really strong. Yeah, so this is from ASC. I don't really like this. Thank you for watching.